Something that never fails to make my day better is iced coffee. Whether it's my healthy coffee or unhealthy coffee, both are really good. So I'm gonna take you along a realistic day in my life. I started the vlog late. I'm gonna continue it for tomorrow. Always ask me where I get my coffee cups from. This one specifically, I didn't buy it anywhere. It was actually a coffee container. We just took off the label and cleaned them really good. And I want to make my coffee healthy and not sugary. I like to use this syrup. It's a sugar-free syrup from this brand. It's my favorite part. I'm gonna have my delicious healthy coffee. You look busted, dude. Dark circles to the max. Eating a sandwich before the gym. This is your reminder to never hit the gym with an empty stomach. I've done that too many times, and I end up having such a mid-workout because I feel so weak. I'm gonna start getting ready for the gym. Today, I'm just doing back day. Pretty simple. Last time I was talking about in my vlog on upper body, I don't lift heavy anymore, and like I said, it's not that it's boring, it's just not as fun. Lifting heavy is like challenging. Keep adding more weight. It's just fun. If you like to work out, you know like that feeling. But I want to have skinny arms. Like, I'm going in with this e.l.f. camo concealer satin finish. I tried it a couple of times and it's pretty good. Oh, it look crazy. Okay, this is my skin at the moment. It looks crazy. Like, it was doing good like 2 days ago. There's like times when it's clear, like kind of clear. Like right now it's pretty bad. Like, I'm having breakouts everywhere, so that kind of sucks. And my skin at the moment is like really dry too. I have to be reapplying lotion on my skin the whole day because it's really cold right now. I got sick right a week ago or almost 2 weeks ago. I kept on blowing my nose. Like, if you know that feeling when like you can't stop blowing your nose. All this got dry, like really dry. So I started using Aquaphor. Like, so good. I used it on my lips, on my face. It helped me so much. Like nothing has worked that good, and it didn't break me out, which is so shocking because my skin is so sensitive to anything. I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost right now. I'm so excited for summer though. I don't know if you're a summer person or not, but I am. I was born in July. What I do for my birthdays most of the time is either like camping, coffee shops. I go to dinner with my family. Let me know what person you are. Are you like a winter person? Okay, I can't take myself serious right now. Look, I look so white on camera. Trust, guys. Trust the process.
We run out of makeup. Our makeup is on its way.
This is when my makeup is gonna look alive because I'm gonna use this bronzer. Don't need too much because it's very pigmented. And for, oh my gosh, this is so tiny. It's so cute. Okay guys, this is the original size. Ready? I'm with this. It's a eyeliner pencil, but I use it for nose contour and lip liner. This is like the smartest thing I've ever learned. I got this from my sister. You're gonna contour your nose like that. Basic contour. You get a skinny brush. I use this. It's a broken spoolie. I use this side of it. The middle needs to be very skinny if you want to have a snatched nose.
She used to make her nose look bigger.
Yeah, I used to go in with like a thick brush and just like go like that. You can make yourself look more snatched if you did your makeup more clean. Daniel's gonna go work out, guys. Applaud for him.
You didn't have to go brown or blue.
Okay, so one of my favorite things to use for my whole face is this Milani baked bronzer. This is the shade, if you're curious. I like to use it all over my face and for my eyelids as well. Now for blush, my favorite blushes ever, baked blushes from Essence, pink. Okay, weird story. My sister had this one in her room for a while. Untouched, oxidized, I think that's what it's called.
I think it's because I left it on my window.
She thinks it became like a different color because it was darker. It's darker than this. It's not bad though. Still, it's still really cute. It's like a pearl looking cute color. So she's about to be retired. I really love this one because it reminds me of the one from NYX, Espresso. I think that's the shade. I got it once and it's just like it. I like to put a little bit of foundation on top of this lip color because it's cute, but a little bit too dark. Go like this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this lip stain from LA Colors. I love this one so much during summertime. Stain still works even though I have lip color on top already. I just like to kind of like dab it off, and then it leaves my lips looking a little more pink. I'm gonna go put some mascara. I'll be back. Okay guys, here's the final product. Now I need to do my outfit, guys. I'm kind of running late. Here's my outfit. It's pretty basic. Gray shirt, gray sweats, Vans, zip up on my... I hate being in a rush. Guys, why am I always late to the gym? Why do I do this to myself? Necklace, and I still don't know what I'm doing to my hair. Bun like this, but it looks so messy. I might have to fix it. What should I do? I'm pissed. Why? My hair. What happens when you want to put like a hoodie on and your hair is already slicked? Okay guys, I'll see you at the gym. If you struggle to go to the gym or you're scared to start going, I'm here to remind you it's not going to be easy at first. But just know it's not impossible. The moment you go even though you don't want to, the moment you stop relying on your emotions, is the moment you prove to yourself how bad you really want it. It starts becoming something you enjoy doing. Even on days you feel exhausted, you still go. Because for those couple of hours, you're not thinking about problems. You're just thinking about the moment. You will also never regret a workout. You only ever feel like you succeeded. Hi. I'm gonna make me and my sister some chicken tuna. I'm not gonna eat anymore, guys. I think I'm just gonna have cereal. There's no mayo. Sister just came back from the store. She brought me some energy drinks. I asked her to bring them for me because I wanted some for tomorrow and for the week. Not gonna lie, sometimes I let things pile up, but then I regret it because I have a mess to clean up. I also love watching those TikToks where girls are cleaning their room in like fast speed. I find it so satisfying. Being a gym girl means you're gonna be doing a lot of laundry. I think that's why I let clothes pile up. It's really not that deep to just fold your clothes after it's cleaned, but I just start overthinking and then I don't end up doing it. I'm gonna start getting ready for the gym, and it's my favorite day of the week, leg day. I do leg day 3 times a week. I'm just a girl. Let's talk about comparing yourself, because personally I struggle with comparing myself still to this day. I've gotten better for sure, because before I was like comparing myself 24/7 about every single thing. Pretty crazy. That was one of the reasons why I had such bad anxiety when I was younger. I think that's something that should be taught to little kids when they're young, that it's okay to be different. It's okay to look different from others. Yeah, it took me some time to get out of that habit of comparing myself. As I grew older, the gym is what helped me a lot too. Not just to lose weight, but literally like mentally. Like I learned so much about myself. I actually ended up loving this concealer. I'm not gonna lie. I was saying yesterday how it's more like a natural concealer, but it's actually pretty good for it to be a concealer. If you're a girl that likes to just wear concealer, self-hydrating camo concealer, satin finish. Thought it was gonna be too natural, that it wasn't gonna cover like any of my acne, but it did. When I'm eating healthy, or when I'm trying to prioritize my health a little more, I don't like to restrict myself. I feel like if you restrict yourself, it kind of makes it harder. Really truly recommend, if you're gonna start a diet or start prioritizing your health, or you're trying to lose weight or something, not start off that dramatic. This is my opinion. You could have a completely different opinion. The thought process of this is totally fine. Everyone has a completely different process in their fitness journey. I feel like when you do that, personally, use whatever it was that I could reach for, I would grab. Because I was resisting myself so much. I would end up like eating more than I even do. When you're craving something and you really want it, just have it. Like, it's really not that deep. As long as you're not like eating an insane amount of it, it's fine, because you're gonna go work out anyways. It just makes the process so much better and less hard on yourself. I mean, if you can take that challenge, like, there's many things that people do, like fastings and stuff like that. They don't eat like from the morning to after 1 or something. I've tried that before with my sister for fun, and it's pretty hard. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a breakfast person now. One thing that helped me a lot in my journey of growing, sometimes when times get tough or hard, I always pray, ask God for guidance in everything I do, because life can get pretty crazy at times. I think that was definitely my main thing that helped me get out of where I was. And even though life can get really crazy for you, for me, that was like my outlet. That was literally talking to Jesus, reading my Bible. I feel like if I didn't have Jesus, girl, I probably would have gone crazy. I just need to trust in him, put my faith in him at all times, even when it's really hard to. Right now, what I'm doing is setting my face with this setting powder from AOA Studio. I have really good makeup and it's really affordable. I love this one because it's actually pink. See that? My outfit. Okay, so I'm thinking this long sleeve, it's like very thin. Here is the outfit of the day for the gym. Purple shirt, some pink shorts, gray sweats.
Yeah. Where are your sweatpants?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
They're your favorite though.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna be real. Okay, I'm not feeling myself. Being insecure right now. Oh, I hate that. But you know what? I'm gonna force myself to wear this even though I don't love it. Pro tip. Because if you don't do what makes you uncomfortable, you'll never grow. You don't even notice or see a problem here with this outfit. But I do. My head is telling me things that you're not hearing, so. Anyways, to crack this open. How's your workout going? Amazing.
You did your makeup nice today. I'm gonna start doing it with a bar.
I started a while ago, but I lost all my progress. My favorite things to do on leg day are RDLs and hip thrusts together. I feel like they target where you want to target specifically really good. I also love the leg press, but I feel like it's unnecessary to add a lot of weight. I feel like you just need a little weight and many reps to really focus on where you want to target.
It's amazing.
I'm literally still out of breath from my workout. I need to stretch. If you don't stretch, you can get injured. Back home, my mom made this delicious meal for me and my sisters. Chicken chipotle sauce. I love leg day because I could actually lift really heavy. Not that I'm really strong on leg day, but funner than upper body days. I'm gonna finish my food and then I'm gonna make coffee. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face now. It gets messy. Oh my gosh, the redness though. Mascara I have on, can you see like the brownness right there? Look, so cute, right? So my sister got it off of TikTok shop. Not like a regular wand brush mascara. It's like a thin tube metal rod. This one, Curling Iron Mascara, shade 02 brown. You do have to take it off with an oil. This one from Trader Joe's. Into my eyes. And I used dial soap. I just transferred it into the Trader Joe's bottle. I wish I could just use makeup wipes and call it a day. Wipes are really bad for you. I guess they have glass in them that's like tearing your skin apart. I'm gonna make coffee now. I want to know if I'm the only one, if there's more people out there that has experienced this mean girl behavior at the gym. I mean, not just at the gym, but anywhere else. Me and my sisters, we can be at the gym, right? We can be working out, and then we see a girl next to us and we just want to be nice and smile at them. Pretty mean to us. One time my sister held the door for this girl at the gym. The girl was walking in front of my sister into the gym in like the entrance door. We thought she was gonna hold the door because she saw us right behind her and she looked at us too, but then she literally like let the door go. Literally almost smacked my sister's face. We were like, go to the gym a lot and sometimes you see these girls all the time. Like, oh, I might as well just smile at them and be nice. Are you like a person that tries to be nice at the gym, or you're too shy to be nice? I was pretty shy at first to be nice to people at the gym. Like, not nice, but like smile or say hi. So you know you're not alone. It happened to me so many times at the gym, because when that happened to me at the gym for the first time, I thought that was so weird because I knew what it felt like to be a beginner in the gym, go to the gym for the first time. So I wanted to be nice to people. But don't let it affect you, because it's not even worth your time to let that affect you. That's on them. You did your part of being like a nice person. You should never stop being nice to people, because you never know when someone needs that kindness in their life. For my coffee, I like to use 2 sugars, brown and white. Brown makes it like extra sweet. It's the only reason why I'm sharing this is because a lot of girls out there don't know that you shouldn't care. Like, you literally should not let that affect you. You should just do whatever you want to do what makes you happy. If you want to wear a full beat to the gym, wear a full beat. Put bells in your hair, put bells in your hair. It literally doesn't matter. They're not paying your bills. It's the next day. I had breakfast and I tried the Budok, I don't know how to pronounce it, but those pink noodles for the first time, and they were so good. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you stay tuned for more to come.